Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can unblock someone on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application. And if we want to unblock someone, we need to search for the username. We're going to go to the search menu and then search for the username you want to unblock. Okay, then you can simply open up the profile and select unblock. But let's say that you forgot the username, so you cannot search for it. We can still unblock the account. You have to go to the blocked account list on your TikTok. You're going to go to your profile and then select the three lines, select the settings and privacy, and go to the privacy. And you have to scroll down until you find the blocked account. Okay, and here we'll be able to get the blocked accounts list. And as you can see, this is the account I have blocked on my TikTok. And if you want to unblock, we can click on unblock. Alright guys, and that's all the way to unblock someone on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.